Hey guys, it is Dolla Docta Jennifer here, and this week is going to be a week of hauls, and of course, what's sold on Sunday. If you are just joining my channel, welcome, and I hope you subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoy this content. I do a lot of thrift hauls, what's sold videos, thrift with me's, and some other things here and there. I am a full-time veterinarian and a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, Poshmark, eBay, Citizen, and Depop recently. Mostly Poshmark and eBay, mostly just Poshmark, I'll be honest. I sell clothes, but I also sell other items, which you will see in my haul Thursday. That will be my next video. This will be going up on Tuesday. I'm filming this on Monday. The items I bought for this haul, I bought on Friday. So it's like a whole timeline. But this was actually, shout out to Chantel Morales, who told me about this sale at Uptown Cheapskate. It is a buy-sell trade store I usually go to sell stuff at, but they were having a fill-a-bag sale for $20. She is in the Thrift Nice group, which is on Facebook and was made by Carly, who is Poetry of Nice. She also has a YouTube channel that's really great. She does a lot of garage sale type stuff. And so she actually messaged me on Facebook and was like, hey, FYI, they're having a fill-a-bag sale. If you want to go, it's happening right now. She had just gone. So I hopped in the car, even though I wasn't going to go anywhere that day. And I picked up a full bag. So funny story, the guy checking me out was super impressed because I told him so mostly bag sales, usually they just like take the bag and then they charge you like $20 or with tax, whatever. So there they had to scan in every item you had put in your bag. So he had to un-Tetris my bag to scan everything. And as he's dumping stuff out, I told him, I said, you're never going to get that back in there. And he's like, oh, it won't be an issue. I said, okay, we'll see. I'm like, I'm a master packer. You know, 5-star packer. Anyway, he did not get it in there. He also ripped my bag apart. So he ended up having to get me a second bag. It was really funny. Because he was like, I've never seen people put clothes inside the shoes. Yeah, master packer. You want as many items as possible in that bag to make up for the $20 you're spending on it. So, anyway, if you ever want to go bag thrifting with me, I will pack for you because we can get some stuff in a bag. I did one time. I literally got 17 items, including one pair of shoes, in like a plastic shopping bag. So yeah, I have skills. These are the skills they love usually when I volunteer at Operation Christmas Child, because they pack those shoe boxes and they have to like fit a certain way. I unfortunately did not get to go this year because of COVID, and I'm just trying not to be around that many people. My mom still went, but anyway. Enough of an intro. Let's get into the stuff because I got some crazy amazing things that I'm so excited about. Like half the things just one item is gonna pay for the whole thing. So I'm gonna start off with something I actually already posted on Facebook, on Poshmark, just because I thought it was great, and it was probably one of the lower priced items, and it's gonna take a special someone to buy this. But this is Fashion Nova, and I think it's called, the print is called the Marilyn Monroe Walk of Fame, but it is a kind of half to 3/4 sleeve, off the shoulder bodysuit, all of, I don't know if they're all Marilyn Monroe, but they're supposedly all Marilyn Monroe faces all over it. and they're pants. It's like a leggings, stretchy material. It's all stretchy. So I will pop in, or I will have already popped in the oh my gosh, stock photo. Gosh, brain. I'll put the stock photo so you can see kind of what it looks like on a model. So this is a size large. If I didn't say that, I don't think I did. They had it priced at about $14. I priced mine, I think priced it at $25. There's one other one on Poshmark right now, and it's at $20. So I was very excited about that. Something I don't know that much about, I've got a friend of mine working on it, is this dress. It's Carmen Mark Valvo. It's a size 6. And this dress is just too pretty to leave behind. They had it marked at $32.99, but it's got this gorgeous, like, gold, shiny, I guess it's kind of like a floral into a full skirt. It's midi length, but the bottom too is just gorgeous. I love this dress. It is zip up the back, and just the same. I am not sure, and it kind of has like these raw edges too, which I thought was kind of cool. I don't know how I'm pricing this yet. I'm thinking maybe around $50, but I'm not sure. They've sold like anywhere between like $10 and like $75. So, and then like the really long ball gown type dresses from this brand are selling for over $100. So I'm not sure really where to put this. So I have more research to do. Then I did get a ton of shoes. You would be very impressed on how many shoes and clothes I fit into this bag. I don't think I still have the bag because it literally did rip when the dude was putting stuff in it. Oh wait, I do. Just kidding. Hold on, there's still a shoe in here, but this is the size bag I got. Okay? I just want everyone to see the scale of this bag and then realize how much stuff I fit in there and be impressed. So these are super cute. They are mini Tonka, and they are a brown suede 3-tiered fringe boot. Really cute. They are a size 5, so they are a smaller size, but they look almost brand new. Like the bottoms still has part of a sticker on it. They were priced at $20, I think, yeah. At Uptown Cheapskate. I am probably going to be pricing these more around $65, $75 is what they're being priced at. They sell retail for about $100. So, and they're selling anywhere between $25 and like $65 right now, from what I've seen. They're very sought after, is what it seems like. It's like a very sought after boot for some reason. And then I got some more boring stuff. These are Lucky Brand size 2 Lolita boot jeans. And they are black wash. And they're just really nice condition. They look almost brand new. The patch is in really good condition. So I got them. I've sold, I think, this exact pair or very similar before. It was like the black, I'm pretty sure it was a Lolita boot too, but I'm not 100%. It was one that a friend had given me. And then I don't know, I've got Joe's jeans and they just aren't doing anything, but I picked up another pair because why not? These are Joe's jeans and they are a size 29 skinny ankle. Ooh, definitely not gonna see that. And they are a brown wash. I I don't know, I kind of like the wash. I know colored jeans aren't doing well, and I've got a ton in my closet, but I like color. I can't help it. Color is my friend. Like, each part of my house is a different color. So I just literally got a text just now. Hey, Tiffany. And she said I should price that dress at $50. So I was right. So I'm glad about that. Anyway, really good condition. You know, no stretching in the crotch, lower area. Everything looks pretty new. So we'll see how those do. I haven't looked up comps really on that yet. And then these are Lucky Brand size 6, 29 inseam Charlie skinny corduroys. And they are just like a gray corduroy pant with these cute little zipper pockets on the front. These are priced at $20. I don't know what I'm gonna price these at. I do need to do research on the pants still. But I wanted to get this haul filmed, so let's see. What were the other jeans? I didn't tell you what the other jeans. So the Joe's jeans were priced at $23, and the other Lucky jeans had no price tag. So this might have been back stock that they're just trying to get rid of. All right, 3 more pairs of shoes. And I'm super excited. I'm gonna save the best for last, so you have to watch, okay? But next, really cute. How cute are these wedge boots? And you know who they are? Tom's. They're Tom's wedge boots. And they are super cute. And they have a zip up side. They're a maroon color. And they are a size 8. Very good condition, you know, some wear on the soles, but not horrible. So I grabbed these because these tend to be selling for at least $25 from what I've seen so far. And I just thought this was really pretty. So remember, all this stuff I fit in that bag. Just want you to keep that in your brain. And then I saw these and I almost died because I know stuff like this is really popular right now. These are Kate Spade. They're a 7, size 7. And they are a like rose gold color. They've got the little spade on the back. And they're a cute little point toe with bow, little flats. They do have some scuffing and stuff. I think that they are leather, so I may hit them with the Wonder Balsam and see kind of what happens. Maybe do it on a little area that's not noticeable, just to see, and maybe clean them up a little bit. But they are so cute and in really good condition. I mean, you know, they obviously have some wear, but I think people that are into Kate Spade won't really care. And I don't know what the style is. I think it's like some sort of ballerina flat, if I'm not mistaken, like rose gold ballerina flat or something. But really cute. Not sure about pricing yet because of the flaws, but very excited to find these. Okay, our last shoe, and the best was saved for last. The gods felt bad about my sad shoe tribute and decided to be like, here, have these. So, without further ado, Fry sneakers. And these are, from what I have researched, distressed on purpose. They're supposed to have a distressed look. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but like the inside leather tag is like perfect condition. The soles are in really good condition. Slight wear. but not horrible. And obviously there's the little fry symbol. I died because I literally walked in the store and was like, where are the bags? And they're like, they're over near the door. Okay, so I go over there and there's like a bunch of, so this sale was literally like totes just full of stuff that you had to dig through. Like I was really tired. I was sweating by the end, like sweating. Like my shirt was wet. Gross. Yuck. Anyway, these were literally in the men's bin right next to the door, sitting on top. And I was like, seriously? So I was like, I'll take those. So I grabbed them and I ran. No, I grabbed them and I was so excited. And look at their price tag that they had on there. If they'll let me do it. Oh, of course not. It's $80 basically. They were on sale for $80 there. They're selling pretty consistently for at least $50 on Poshmark right now. So this shoe will already give me 100% profit on this bag when it sells. And there aren't really any of these listed right now. So very excited about it. And the guy, you know, my friend that couldn't Jenga or Tetris my bag back, when he was scanning these in, he goes, I can't believe these are part of the sale. He said, I asked them this morning too, because he's like, these are expensive shoes. And I'm like, These retail for like $200. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna list them yet. Probably 75 to 100 just to see. And then I can drop the price if I have to. But yeah, I'm so excited for these. And I think I may hit this with the balsam a little bit. There's a couple little areas that I think are more distressed than they're supposed to be. But maybe not, I don't know. I was just so excited for these, if you can't tell. I found so many shoes last week. It was crazy. Like, you cannot wait to see the shoes on Thursday's haul. Like, I'm not kidding. So be there and watch. Subscribe to my channel. Like this because there are Fry sneakers and Kate Spade shoes and Toms and mini Tonkas. I did leave behind a pair of Steve Madden shoes, like wedge boots that I couldn't fit in the bag. But again, let's go through everything I got and the bag size. So this is the bag. Again, look at this shoe compared to the bag. Like, I should have literally only been able to fit these shoes in here. But what I did, just a little trick for all you out there that like going to these bag sales. I took these shoes and I rolled up these jeans and I put them inside the shoes. I did that with 2 pairs of pants. So that's 3 items. And then I took this, which is, you know, very flimsy. I put it inside the Toms. And then, yeah, and then the other pair of pants and the dress I put on the bottom. And then I literally Tetrised everything into the bag. So yes, comment below if you're impressed, because I'm impressed with myself, if you can't tell. Anyway, it was a haul and I'm really excited, and I want to thank Chantel Morales again. Thank you so much. I know she's going to be watching this video, so thank you so much. So excited for everything I found. I know she found some great stuff as well there that she was going to resell. So everybody wins, and I hope you guys have an amazing week. I may just upload, no, I'm going to upload this on Tuesday. I was going to upload it today, which is Monday, but I'll wait and try and keep like a steady schedule. Remember, help control the pet population. Have your pet spayed or neutered, guys. Bye.